Oh my god, I'm so excited. It's my Fab Fit Fun! Fab Fit Fun, Fab Fit Fun, Fab Fit Fun, Fab Fit Fun, really. I love saying Fab Fit Fun. I can't stop saying Fab Fit Fun. Fab Fit Fun. Okay. I actually don't know what's in this box at all. Actually, I know two things, because you can customize some things in your Fab Fit Fun. I chose a teapot and a tote bag, which I'm excited to see those. But, I don't know what else is in my Fab Fit Fun. Fab Fit Fun! Okay. There's a little magazine. It's too exciting. Can't handle it. Can you handle it? Oh my god! First of all, the box costs $49. I already just got a $50 gift card to HelloFresh, so I'll get $50 worth of food. So this box is paid for, thank you. This Fab Fit Fun is always such a good deal, and it's so fun. It's Fab and Fit and Fun, Willie. You too can get $10 off your Fab Fit Fun box with my coupon code. Okay, everything is wrapped in this nice little wrapper. I can't. Okay, let me just start. I can't. Glam Glow. Okay, bubble sheet. Glam Glow. Cannot. Another one. My boyfriend's getting a Glam Glow. Okay. Luna Bar. Delicious. This is so much stuff for $49. You guys, I cannot even handle it. I'm exploding right now. This is a metallic liquid foil lipstick duo. Wow, cannot wait to see that. Liquid foil lipstick. Holy crap. This is Blue and Capri Shower Gel. Oh my god. So excited. Skin and Company. Like, the products in this are high-end and expensive. Oh my god. It smells like heaven, of course. Okay. Okay, here we have blue, I was really excited for these. I actually knew these were coming. Bluetooth headphones, which actually I really need new headphones and I don't have the earbuds. These have a little cord behind them, but these are pretty good quality. I looked it up. Bluetooth headphones, so excited. I'm already like this already, like $50 in HelloFresh. Bluetooth headphones, metallic lip gloss, and shower gel, like that's already like, what is that, like $150 worth? I cannot. Okay, now we have, what is this skincare product? Polishing facial exfoliant. Oh my god, this looks really nice. Grown Alchemist is the brand. And this is a skin exfoliating face wash, I believe. Really high, like, you can feel that it's high-end. This is like a nice container. Really good. Cannot wait to use all these products. Here's my teapot. Like, I need some Xanax. I'm having a heart attack right now. The teapot out. I gotta show you this. It's gonna be so cute. Too much, you guys. Look how cute this is. Oh my god. Do you see how cute this is? Ugh. Teapot. I looked this up online. It's already worth more than the whole box. Okay. Here we have Simply Whimsical Towel. I don't know. This is a towel, which who doesn't need a towel of any kind, but I don't know what I will use this for. Let's see how big it is. This is a towel. Oh, these are like dish towels. There's two of them. These are nice. They're kind of like Turkish towels. I don't know if that makes sense. Okay. There's more! Ooh. Okay. I'm a little confused. There's no tote. Oh, this is the tote bag. Oh my god. So excited for this tote bag, you guys. I really needed a black tote. And look at this. Look at this. I mean, Fab Fit Fun, you guys. I can't. Like, This is beyond your value's worth. I just got $300 worth of products for $49 or whatever. This is so nice. I'm not sure if it's faux leather or real leather. Oh, I think it's faux, I hope. But this is like really nice. And I really needed a black tote bag. It's literally exactly what I needed. Like, I needed this. Oh my god. I cannot. Okay. I can't even tell you there's more. Like, there's more. I got a full beauty blender. Like, how much are these? $20 at Sephora? So $20, this is like $60 online. The adorable teapot's like $60 online. Plus I got Glam Glow towels, $50, like HelloFresh. You guys, you have to get Fab Fit Fun. They're not paying me to say this. You have to get it. I love it. Thank you for being here during this excitement. Done.